Today I'm going to show you how to develop software as a software professional in 2025. And this is probably going to be the most important video you'll watch about coding this year. Now, here's the thing. We know that AI is very important, and we have to actually make sure that we're using the most up-to-date, the most efficient, and the most accurate AI available. So it looks like Claude 3.7 is the best AI available right now. I'm not going to count o3 simply because it's not public. So you want to use Claude 3.7. Okay, so let's go back. So we are going to need Copilot for this. If you are a software engineer and you're not using Copilot, you definitely need Copilot. And we have to select Claude 3.7. So this is going to be our go-to model. This is how software engineers code today. Okay, so like, I don't know, make me like a to-do application. You should have like a backend. Make the front end use TypeScript, I suppose. The backend could be either Golang or Python. It's really up to you. You can pick. You should have a database as well. And yeah. Okay, it looks like we're finished. I'm going to click Keep. And there you go. That is how professional software developers code today.